Trump's communication platform. You have a 10-minute to take the poll. Act now. Okay, let's try something. Let's do this. We'll use a 10 today since we didn't call anything. And what do you want to see on President Trump's communication platform? So funny, isn't it? Okay, so what we're going to do is yesterday we had two tweets. Yesterday the first one came in at 11:36 a.m. So 11:36. I'll write that down right here. 11:36 a.m. And this first tweet of today came in at what time? 1:37. Let's see. 1:37. Okay. PM. So this is going to be easy, right? It's 24, 25, 26 hours and 1 minute. Time difference, correct? So, let's go and show how this works. Don't do that mistake. And we're going to go to the Q drops. I mean, look at I just posted this thing. It's got no views. Posted just seconds ago. No views. That's how quick it was. I was one. So yeah, within 2 minutes. Anyways, that's irrelevant, isn't it? Let's go and look at 25:46. Nope, 51. I'll explain in a minute. What is it going to say? New title, postpone, we'll play this counter. Well, let's just go look at 2600 then, which is the gap. Oh no. So what would we do in a case like that? What do we do? I don't see anything, do you guys? What if we did the third to first? Let's hold off on that. I don't see anything right off the bat. That's the timestamp, and that was the gap, and that was where the clues that I saw. I didn't see any message. So let's go back and look now at the second text marker from yesterday. Again, these are on the Pacific Coast being sent out from the East Coast. So yesterday at 1:40 p.m. See, I'm doing this all live as we go. I'm seeing this just as fast as you guys are. Like I said, I'm showing you how I do it. And we've got 1:37 p.m. was today's. Second one. It was up there, 1:37. So what do we got? A time difference of 3 minutes longer. Would have been 24 hours. So it's 23 hours. And what is it? 3 minutes difference. Right? There's 7 to 8 and I'm 43 minutes. So that would be 57 minutes. 23 hours and 57 minutes. So if we did the timestamp and gap code of the clue of 10 from the text, let's do that. Minus 10 off of 23, 47. Should we go look at that? Let's see what that says. Let's see over here for a minute. Go back over here on the Q dots. We're going to go to time difference between President Trump's last two tweets was 23 hours and 57 minutes. We're going to minus 10. That's the clue that we see in the text. That gives us 47. Let's see what happens. Queued up 23:47. An important moment in time. The picture will be the signifier. The signifier will force the cue. The cue will be answered answered, where we go one, we go all. I just got done doing a video titled one or a few keys to the map, and one of the 43 keys to the map of learning how to read the map is by looking at the date in the Q drops. And we look here and we see the 5th of October. Let's go look at 5/11.
I made a mistake there. I caught it just now. October is the 10th month, isn't it? October, November, December is the 10th month. So we should have gone over and looked at Q drop 510.
Conditions with regards to previous post.
We should be looking at Q drop 510.
To previous post. Thought clear? Now crystal clear?
I'm hoping I'm making that clear.
I don't know.
I hope that's crystal clear.
I don't know. Okay, so if it was 2357.
And let's just go stop there right now on this, because that's really kind of important. Because Q drop 510, I know off the top of my head, talks about Q drop 510 talks about timing in between tweets. It will have a tweet, it gets deleted, and then reposted. And between these deleted tweets that are markers called ghost timestamps, or any word that you want that we could all at least understand what we're all talking about, because that's all anything is. This is just a symbol that I just used to represent timing in between tweets. As long as you know what this means, I'm not confusing you. But if every time I use and say timing in between tweets and I use a different squiggle and a different line, it would confuse you. And just like when learning the comms, it's very important to stay very structured and to learn the basics of the ABCs so that you can learn how to put the letters into words, so that you can then put words into sentences, so that you can then use your sentences to relay thoughts and questions and answers, and basically able to use these numbers or lines or sounds to communicate back and forth to others. It sounds so easy, but it is difficult to learn a new language. So I don't have Q drop 510 within that video. I'm not sure what more I was going to talk about within that video, but that's how it's done. We were looking at Q drop 510 and, well, the picture. So, okay. I will look at those numbers again, see what else might or might not happen, but I think that was pretty much showing how we are all being watched 24 hours a day, 24/7 if it's wanted to. The AI does respond back, and God bless you, Patriots. God bless America. God bless the world, and God bless me.